Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Brown, why does your channel not have a mascot? And I would say, well, imaginary friend that wasn't even thinking of that question, let alone asking it. I would say, well, today's the day that's going to change. I am going to have a mascot by the end of the day, and the mascot is going to be a carrot. You weren't expecting that, were you? Now, you're probably thinking, Brown, what has a carrot got to do with a Photoshop YouTube channel? And to be honest, I'm thinking the same thing. But it doesn't matter, it's random. It's only for a laugh anyway, so what's the harm in it, I suppose? Right, that's enough chitter-chatter. Let's get to it. Let's start making a mascot for my channel. First off, we're going to need some eyes. Yeah, it's a little bit big. Reduce the eyes. One eyeball. Now, how are we going to make this without it looking ridiculous? Let's mask it. We'll mask it and then see how it looks after that. And masked out, so now we know sort of what we're looking at. Let's get them closer together, make it a little bit more cartoony. There's some eyes, roughly done. We'll come back to them. I'm not going to do a nose. Noses are overrated. A little bit crazy here. Crazy carrot. Righto, now we want to form some eyebrows. Let's paint around the eyes, rough as you like.
Like a light lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since
Sort of scary, to be honest.
the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
So it's starting to look like it's popping out now. Right, now let's get doing the mouth.
We always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
Now let's sort out his barnet.
Roller coaster to walk out the door. We could be in control, but we scary sometimes, but I know we're safe. Two peas in a pod, a roller coaster to walk out the door. We could be in control, but we just keep on putting on a show. And baby, I don't mind it. Let them talk, they don't get it. That we are two peas in a pod.
Now I'm going to do a little bit of colour grading and we'll see how that looks. Nearly there. So I was just in camera raw filter and my computer crashed, so I decided to do it without filming to see if that was better, and I managed to get through it this time. So you've missed the colour grading, but it's alright. I've only just increased the contrast and stuff, so increase the saturation, increase the contrast. Now I don't need focus on the other carrots, so I'll just fade them out. And there we go, people. A carrot mascot made in Photoshop for absolutely no reason at all. And I shall name the day. If you enjoyed my content, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out my other videos as well. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.